Hello guys, my name is Tate Hendricks, and today we are going to fix this speaker because I've had some issues with it. Like, it wouldn't play sounds sometimes, and then it would play sounds. Well, today we're going to fix it by first checking if it works. So we're going to pull out its stereo. Oh. What? What? What the? Never mind. Let's just open it up first to see if it works. So now, let's try to open it up and see what's inside. So, all I have to do is just carefully just pry around the edges. Okay, now we are in. As you can see, we are rocking a nice little magnet connected to the speaker so it can get some nice powerful sound and the lights. As you can see right there, yeah, looks normal. And as you can see, everything looks good. I think we actually fixed it. Everything looks soldered perfectly. And yeah, the lights seem soldered. And yeah, let's put it back together. Right there. And boom. Oh. Did I actually break it? Well, I guess we have to destroy it. Sorry about that. This was a joke. These aren't working anymore. So, let's destroy it. 3, 2, 1. 1. That's one side off. Okay. Other side. 3, 2, 1. 1. I knocked the phone. That hit actually knocked off all the sides. And as you can see, a BB is connected to it. Funny. BB. And basically, we just have the plastic, and that's it. Electronics. Now that it took off all the walls and everything, now we can see how it works. Oh. Gotta break this thing off. This was the light, or the LED that would shine on the speaker to make it look really cool. And they thought the cool kids would think you're cool. And yeah, now we can see what's inside. Jeez. I use super glue for this. Now you can see the coil that bounces up and down because they use copper. There's copper in there and it bounces up and down. And yeah, that's it for this video. And it was stupid, pointless, but I loved it. And I hope you enjoy it. This speaker is done. I do have another one, and I'm using it for this phone to record. So we might destroy that other one in another video. So See you guys later. Bye.